Hello guys, today is our last stream for the week. Let's have a quick look over the market, what happened, what is going to happen, and what's next in generally that is waiting for us on the crypto market, especially on Bitcoin chart and Ethereum, maybe some other alts and so on. Okay, so finally, our range theory worked again flawlessly. You can see after this manipulation move, range low taken, this previous weekly range you see, flipped back above, and now we just had swept the range high as well. So this range is already played out, and what we say in such ranges that only internal liquidity levels are important now, because all of the important extremes are taken out. And as you can see, this uptrend is already facing some resistance here right at the previous weekly high. So what can we see right now? The first thing I'm seeing that you can see after this flipping that the price is stuck in here, because we have previous weekly very high support here along with the 4-hourly dynamic moving average EMA 200. You can see this area is acting as support, but this is acting as resistance. So basically we are stuck right now between the support and the resistance. For me, this is a pretty important level, because let me show you something. If we zoom out, you can see this is our even bigger range. This is previous monthly range, low, high. If I pull my volume profile from the 1st January, this is basically current year's volume profile. Here, give me a minute to find. Okay, here. If I pull it, you can see that the reactions are perfect on this profile. You can see test again yearly open, volume profile low, value area low, and then flip above the control point, flip it as a support, and then continue to the upside. From what this profile says, I see it as if we flip above this level, this node here. Okay, let's say 99, 100. 100 is strong psychological level also. We cannot deny it. We can see that if we flip 100,000 level, there is literally no price action. This is a low value node. I expect if 100,000 is broken, we are going to pump very quick to our main resistance around 102, 103, around exactly at this aligning, exactly around value area high of the current year and the daily imbalance left right here. This is our primary resistance if 99, 100 is broken. Nothing between 900 and 902 and 3. So don't try. Be very careful shorting in the space between these two levels. You have to be very careful. As you see, this is simply a low value node right here, meaning that there is no significant price action formed or that is reliable. You can see that the next high node is around our resistance level we mentioned. What about we get rejection here? Where are we exactly at now? We can see if we get rejection here, I'd like to see if we have a pullback, if we lose, our first support is this previous weekly very high, this level around 98,000. If we lose this level, most likely we are going to take out this equal lows here. As you see, we had equal highs here, they are already taken out. You can check on our old streams, we had equal highs, we have equal lows here. Losing this level will send us to the around 96,000, let's say, and I'd like to see this level holding as a support. I mean, this correction won't be bad, but also if we have this chance here, I'd like to see this level holding as a support. If the price and making another attempt to break the previous weekly high or our previous weekly range, I want to see this level holding here. We can enlarge it a bit. You can see 96,500 and 9600 and 200 to hold. I don't want to see flipping below here, because then our target is becoming the golden pocket, which is slightly a large area right now. This is, as you can see, 95,400 and 94,500. Losing this level is going to activate this area as a support. This is what I have to say you today for the Bitcoin. I hope it's going to be useful. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is gaining some momentum here, but again, it's nothing significant yet, because what we say, Ethereum is trending, as you can see, but right now, I'm sorry, we are seeing the first signs after this manipulation here, the first sign to rotate out from this value area. I mean, not rotate out, but I mean breaking out from this rotation from value area high to value area low, and etc, etc. I'd like to see this level holding this time with this breakout, and then reach out after this sweep here. You can see our primary target is 2,900. I'd like to see this level holding if the price is going to the upside, because if we get back inside again, most likely this pool here of liquidity is going to be targeted again, and we are going to have the same repeated action. This is what I see in short term for Ethereum. Let's check something else. You can see that our other coin we had a look is simply going beautifully for now. This pool is going to be targeted, and most likely this is going to be a W pattern, but this is also a harmonic pattern right here, and we are going to see slight correction to the midline, maybe to 3.30, 40 levels, 30, 20 levels, and then we are going to attack $4 mark. This is everything looks fine for this pair for now, until we lose, of course, the support level. Let's take at Solana. You can see we had this range looking out yesterday, and now we are having the first signs of flipping back inside our range. Let's drop the time frame. Now it's going to be important to see if we're going to flip this area as a support, or this is just this will be just a failure attempt and we are going to push back again. So I'm more for the bullish case here. If we defend, of course, this level, I'm expecting to be target around at least $215 mark until this level is lost again. Then our scenario is going to be a double bottom most likely. I don't have any major updates right now for this pair. I think we took a look at the Cardano. This is you can see this is our local range. Since still no breakout and no flipping this area, this is crucial level for me. As I mentioned, flipping here is going to send us to the $1 mark again, on even here, meaning 1.220 cent level. Okay, guys, I think this is enough for the last stream for the closing stream. Of course, nothing spectacular on the charts yet, except Bitcoin. It is going to be interesting weekend, and to Monday we are going to update our charts again and make together our weekly plan. I wish you a very good weekend. Have a nice day and see you again on Monday.